Everybody, this is Ori. She came to say hi to you guys. There she is. There she is. I just want to share with you guys, we have a new channel. It's called Hebrew Code Searching. And here's something funny that happened in our class the other day. I thought it was kind of funny. The students were like not even surprised. But I'll just share with you guys as we're having a class. And we want to invite you guys over to our channel over there. And we're sharing a lot of codes and scriptures. And we're having a great time. All right. We hope to see you guys over there. Shalom. Aloha. Although we will never be able to fully understand the Father, meditating on his word brings me as close as I can be at the given moment. Hold on, you guys. I have a duck in my room eating dog food.
Yeah, just loving the agrarian, farming sort of.
Isn't that strange?
It's awesome.
Oh my!
Isn't it strange that that comment isn't strange to us?
Right.
A duck in her room eating dog food.
Right. It's just my life. It's my life. Oh my! I was wondering.
It's our lives too, darling.
Evidently, you are. All right. It gets so quiet. All right, except for the ducks.